Friends, you can see this is the Sri Ram International Airport, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi had passed through this road. That's why so many vehicles are going from there. You can see this is very big something today is something special in Ayodhya. That's why so many vehicles are going through this road, and you can see there are so many vehicles. There are so many vehicles, and you can see the vehicles on this road.
चलो आ रहा है दोनों लोग हैं चल रहे
So you can see this is the Sri Ram International Airport, which is located in Ayodhya, and today I have come in this airport for walking, and it is one of the most beautiful airport of Uttar Pradesh. It is inaugurated by 30 Narendra Modi, Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So today I have come here to for make the video. Before the few minutes, Pradhan Mantri, Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had passed through this road. You can see this is the Sri Ram International. This is the road which go to the Sri Ram International Airport. And today is very special day because Prime Minister Narendra Modi had come in Ayodhya. Today he had come for some. He has come for some special work, some special whatever I don't know, but he has come for some special things. That's why protection is very high. Before few seconds, as you can see, Mr. Yogi had passed through this road to the in the airport. I don't know where he was going, but he had passed through this road. And today all the Ayodhya is all the Ayodhya is fulfilled with army, police, and different type of the police are walking in Ayodhya, because today I have seen that every few meters there are so many police available standing in Ayodhya. And you can see this is the Sri Ram International Airport. So many VIPs are coming today for some special work, for dropping to someone, for taking to someone. So many, because the election of 2024 is coming. That's why there are so many type of leader start to come Ayodhya for the advertise for canvas. So that's why I think Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also coming today, and I think he is coming for some rally, some anything, whatever his motive, I don't know. But today Ayodhya is bounded. Ayodhya is protected by so many officers, so many DMs, SP, different type of the military officer are working in every corner of Ayodhya for the protection of the our Prime Minister, for the protection of different type of MP, MLA, because when Prime Minister go to somewhere, there are so many MP also go with him. There are so many MLA also go with him. There are so many type of the minister also go with him. So that's why is that's why the police are that's why the police aware about this, that how can I give him safety, because safety is very important thing, because if he will not safe, then of course there are so many crises start to will be start. So we need to give him protection, we need to give him safety. That's why we will find calm, we will find peace. So that's why you can see there are so many police are standing at the front of the airport, and some special officer are going, I think, with two Fortuner, and The when I come here every morning, every evening to make a video. Today I am not showing you our face because I am going to show you some vehicles and some special thing of. You can see this is the board, and it is standard along the road. You can see this is the board, and in this board, some company want to advertise his company through the chopai of the Sri Ramchandra Manor. That's why he has written, and they have written some chopai of Sri Ramchandra Manas. And you can see this type of board are standard all over the road, along the road. And the light which you are looking here, it is also very nice, very exquisite, because the design of this light is also exquisite. And all the between this road, park, a garden like park, garden also has made. You can see, and it is spread over more than 1 kilometer, I think, because it is not small. It is spread this road is spread over more than 1 kilometer. Then this road has met to the main road of the Ayodhya. And the road is also too much clean, you can see, because whenever some VIP is coming here, then all the government officer are start aware about this. How can I give him protection, because it is very necessary for how can I give how can I give him uh, how can I see him beauty? How can I show him beauty of Ayodhya? Because whenever people leader come from different country, of course they expect to visiting the motive of the visiting of that. I think some plan is take off. That's why the voice is coming too much. I think some plan is going to be take off. That's why the voice is coming so loudly. And I think some VIP has gone from this plan. That's why plan has take off. Take off. So you can see this is the very good moment. And of course you should also, whenever you get time in the night, you should go for walk, because you do hard work all the day. So if you will not if you will not find good time for enjoy, for peace, for walk, then you will go to be bored, frustrated, sad, anger, hurt. There are so many type of disease start to come in your mind. So we should walk in the evening for whatever type of place available in your surrounding. You should try to walk there. Of course you will find something beauty of that place. And if you want to learn any type of language, if you want to learn anything, then you need to make, if you have mobile, then you should utilize your mobile and try to make that type of video which can help you people, which can help you to like that. I am only here because I am learning English. So if I think I did not I learned my English by myself. I did not join one day English training class outside Ayodhya and in Ayodhya. So I learned English by myself, and I don't know how can I will improve English from this strategies. But I know that if I will speak 20 minutes more than 20 minutes every day English. Of course it will come in our habit, it will come in our habit. And when the thing come to your habit, of course you will become fluent person. You will become a that type of person who can express anything. So if you want to learn something, then you need to utilize your power. You need to utilize your time, because don't waste your time walk without any motive. If you are walking somewhere, of course you need to try to learn something, because ability of a person is first requirement for the growth. So try to create good ability in yourself. If you can do this, of course you will see good result in your life. You will also see good. If you will, you can create a smart life, good life, and you can see all the beauty of life. So it is good way of learning, it is good way of to improving to yourself. And if you want to come in Ayodhya, then if you have good money, then you can come through this airport. You can see this is the airport, and the outer design of the airport is also too much good, like that the inner design of this airport, because I have visited inside of this airport, and I have seen so many features of this airport which is looking very nice. When you will go inside of this airport, you will find so many so many attractive, fascinated things which has kept here. So you can understand that our engineer is also very good. They made this beautiful airport. And one thing is also that when you will see the top of the airport, then it is something like a temple. When you will go to temple, then temple is also see like this. So this airport, the top of this airport also like that the temple. And all the surrounding environment of the airport is bounded by Shri Ram Katha, Shri Ram, and knowledge of Shri Ram. Like as I say, as I shown you that as I showed you that this is a board. In this board, the Chopai of the Sri Ramcharan has been written, and by it the motive of this written that he want to advertise his company. You can see the name of this company, Campa, and I think it is the company of Coca-Cola, and it is the company of the cold drink. So you can understand that the company are using the name of God for the advertise of his company. So they has written different type of the chopai, which if you will read this chopai, then the chopai which is written here is very valuable, is very precious, is very beauty. It can change your life if you can utilize that chopai in your life. If you can learn something from this chopai, it can change your life. So whenever you are standing, wherever you are standing, whatever you are doing, uh, whenever you are going to walk somewhere, so you need to aware about this. How can I learn from there? How can I improve myself from there? So of course you need to try it. As I told me about me, that I am here to I am walking here, and I am making this video by through of this. Of course I can improve my English, because I am speaking. I will speak more than 20 minutes, no matter what is I am speaking. If I am speaking same sentence, no matter, I am going to indulge with English, because I am not saying you have to. If you want to learn English, then you need to you need to do the operation of English. Operation means so many people are saying that if you want to learn English, then first day you should try to learn vocabulary, and the second day you should try to learn grammatical formula, and then after the day you should try to learn pronunciation. I think they are going, they make up, I mean they are they operation to the English language. It is not good way of the learning any language. If you will operation, if you do operation to any language, you are not able to learn that language. If you will say to yourself, first day I will learn vocabulary, second day I will learn grammatical formula, third day I will learn this thing, this part of this English. It is not good way of the learning. If you want to learn some language, then try to speak more. Speak more. Whatever you are speaking wrong, right, no matter. Whatever you are speaking, no matter. You need to speak. You need to speak more. Speak more. Speak. If I will ask you how did you learn your Hindi, you will say simple by speaking, by listening. Of course, it is true. So same thing you can apply to learning the another language, because language, if you want to learn language, they need to uh, convert your internal heart in that language. Then you can learn. So this is the good way. And you can say the so many car are going back, because I think he has this car has have come to drop Mr. Our honorable chief minister. Now after this they are going to his own place, he wherever, and I mean they are going to his own place. You can see there are so many cars, and whenever our chief minister come, then this road uh, has closed. I mean, no person don't give allow. He doesn't give allow to walk any person in this road, because whenever they come, he come and so Ayodhya. Whenever Mr. Our honorable chief minister comes to Ayodhya, then people, government, then administrative officer bounded all the road through the police, through the barricade, through the different type of the whatever they are using. So you can understand. And you saw there are so many vehicles has gone from there through this road. So and now vehicles are coming again. There are so many vehicles, that's why you can see. And all the vehicles are of the police officer, because safety is very necessary for our country, of course. If our leader is not safe, if our chief minister, if our prime minister is not safe, so I cannot expect that a general person is safe in our country, because it is the respect of our country. If anything will happen, then all the countries, all the states start to raise some different type of the question. Why is this happening in Ayodhya? Why is this happening in Uttar Pradesh? So of course the administration of the Uttar Pradesh and the administration officer of the Uttar Pradesh should be aware about this, that how can they give him good strong protection, how can they give him good protection by which he can he can complete his journey in good way. So that's why higher level officer appointed so many police to everywhere for the protection of VIPs, for the protection of our honorable prime minister, for the protection of our chief minister. So you can see this is the good way of learning. This is good way of doing work of the government, because by the help of this they can give him protection, they can give him good I think they can contribute his journey in good way. And you can see there are so many vehicles. So let us something talk about the beauty of my surrounding. So I am going to talk about where beauty of my surrounding. So where I am standing, this is the tiles, and you can, if you are looking, then you can see this is the tiles. and all the road is tiled by more than 1 kilometer. All the road is tiled more than 1 kilometer, and this is a pant which is uh, painted by so many levels along the way more than 1 kilometer also. And I think more vehicles is start to come because someone is coming, I think. So that's why more vehicles start to come. And you can see there are so many vehicles. This is white vehicles. I think this was the bridge, and this is any of a higher rank officer vehicle. And you can see someone special is coming. That's why so many vehicles are start to come, and it is more vehicle with too much vehicle, too so many vehicles. Ambulances are also with him, and you can see ambulances also with him. So you can see something is special in Ayodhya today. That's why there are so many vehicles are running to everywhere. You can see, yeah. And this is the vehicles of also police. This is the vehicles of any another district police, and you can see this is also the vehicles of police. And so so I was talking about my beauty of my surrounding. So you can see as I saw you, as I show you that this is a tiles which is set by along the road. And on the road which you are looking, and it is very clean. It is cleaned by so many omens in morning who come every day for the clean, for the sweeping of this road. And the garden which you are looking, the flower of that garden is looking very exquisite. They smile, and they different type of the flower is planting here. And one of the other beauty which you can see here, the main gate of this airport, which is looking very nice. And this is very big, and the height of this airport is also very high. So because you can see the height of this main gate, which is very which is fascinated to me towards this. And other beauty of my side, this red light. If you are looking the red light, I think you are not looking, because yeah, now you can look the red light which is set all the on the all the road. You can see red light. It give you correct signal. It give you correct if it give you correct direction to run on the road, because safety is first priority for the all humans. And the other beauty which is which is one of the most important beauty of this airport is this watch. You can see this is very big, and it is something like a rectangle. You can see something like a rectangle, but the shape you can sit here, and after that I think it is designed with very good way, because you can sit here and you can plant your tree or small type of plant small type of plant here. And there are too much space impetus, there are too much space in this in this whatever, I don't know whatever it is called. It has very big space to fill the soil, by which any type of plant can grow easily. And on the surface of this it Ayodhya has been written. And it is also Ayodhya because Pradikara Ayodhya Development Authority. And the number of this uh, number of this rectangular was more than 137. And so you can see. And now I stop to make the video, and I will see you in the next video.